Welcome. In this video, we will go over the chat feature in the user portal. As you will see, the chat function facilitates live text communication with a tech agent to help resolve your issues more efficiently. There are two types of chat in the user portal: pre-ticket chat and ticket chat. First, we will cover pre-ticket chat. When you log into the user portal, you will land on Contact Support, get an overview, and learn more about the other boxes in the Contact Support lesson. But in this video, we will focus on the My Tickets box, since it hosts the pre-ticket chat button. But before we delve further into it, there are a couple of things to note. The first is that the overall chat feature may be turned off for your profile or company by your service organization or IT department. It might also be the case that while the chat feature is enabled, pre-ticket chat is disabled, and so only ticket chat may function, which we will come to later. Either way, if you are interested in enabling or disabling pre-ticket chat or the chat function entirely, make sure to get in touch with your service organization. The second thing you should note is that the feature is only available during your service organization's office hours. If this is the case, there will be a message notifying you that the current time is outside of chat operating hours. Click the chat status button with the headset icon to check when chat should be back up. It should show a message like this, giving you the time and the time remaining until the chat office hours reopen. However, if you are using the user portal within office hours and your chat function is enabled by your service org, then you should see a different message when you press the chat status button. Then you will be able to press the chat button in the My Tickets box to begin a chat with a tech agent. The chat button should take you to a screen that asks you for a brief description of your problem. Once you describe the issue, such as quick question about setting up desk directors, it will initiate a chat session. It will first notify you that they are finding a tech agent for you. However, if it takes longer than a minute to find a tech agent, or if the chat falls out of office hours, you will get a call me back prompt, which allows you to leave a message and your number for your service organization to get back to you as soon as possible. This means that you don't have to hold your place in line forever if your service organization is really busy or isn't open. Just enter your number and write your message and wait for the service organization to get in touch when they can. However, if you are within office hours and you are able to find a tech agent within the time, they should reply to your pre-ticket chat. In the chat members panel, you can see who is active at the moment. Since both profile icons have a green light, that means both the tech agent and the user have the chat open at the moment. If the green circle is gray instead, then they are idle. And if their profile icon is not visible, then they are not currently accessing the chat. Note that it is called pre-ticket chat because your chat is not linked to an already existing ticket. Submitting a pre-ticket chat request will create its own ticket. For example, the ticket created from this pre-ticket chat would be called Quick Question About Setting Up Desk Director, and you can find it in the My Tickets box in the Contact Support or in the Tickets tab as displayed. This is a different way to create a new ticket instead of using the service catalog and filling out a form. Now we can move on to the second and main type of chat, ticket chat. This is when there is already a submitted ticket that you have submitted via the main channels of creating a new ticket, selecting an RTI from the service catalog, and filling out a form. If the chat function is enabled, the user will be able to request a chat session with the tech agent, linked to that specific ticket, by pressing the chat button on that particular ticket. Just like in pre-ticket chat, if no one is available, you may get a call me back prompt to leave your number and a message, but hopefully you get a prompt response from a tech agent. Using ticket chat allows live communication of updates from either the tech agent or the user for more efficient ticket resolution. Just type your messages in the text box and press send. If you want to minimize the chat box, press the minimize button on the top right of the chat box. After you have finished communicating with the tech agent, or you want to leave the chat session, press the leave chat button, also on the top right of the chat box. And those are the basics of Desk Director chat. Let's recap. There are two types of chat: pre-ticket chat and ticket chat. Pre-ticket chat, you access from the Contact Support page, and you request to chat with a tech agent by submitting a brief description of your request. This chat request will create a ticket. On the other hand, ticket chat, you access from an existing ticket and links the chat to that ticket. Also, chat is only available during office hours, and you check those by pressing the headset button in the Contact Support page. However, if no one is available to chat, you may get a call me back prompt to leave a message and your number, so you don't have to keep the user portal open forever. Lastly, remember that the chat function might be disabled, or certain features within it, such as pre-ticket chat or the Call Me Back feature. If you have issues, concerns, or requests about these features, get in touch with your service organization. The Desk Director chat function serves as a real-time communication tool designed to facilitate seamless interactions between users and tech agents within the Desk Director platform. With this feature, users can initiate conversations with tech agents to seek assistance, ask questions, or report issues directly within the user portal. The chat function offers a convenient and efficient channel for users to access support and resolve inquiries without the need for external communication methods such as email or phone calls. Tech agents can respond promptly to user queries, provide guidance, troubleshoot technical issues, and offer solutions in a collaborative and interactive environment. That's all for this lesson on the chat feature. See you later.